Okay, so we will start with TYS 2010 paper 3 question 2. So you are asked to actually complete this table for marks. What will be the chemical formula for sulfuric acid? This is something that you will have to memorize. H2, SO4, sodium hydroxide, NaOH. So we have one acid and one base. Now, the next one is this one product of the reaction with ammonium carbonate. Okay, give yourself a test. What is the formula for ammonium carbonate? So we'll start off with ammonium ion and a carbonate ion. Then we will write the formula for each ion, which we have NH4 plus, carbonate is CO3, 2 minus. Are the charges equal? They are not. What do I mean by charges? There is a plus, there is a 2 minus. So what will I have to do to ensure that they are balanced? NH4 and another plus. So I will now have 2 positives and 2 negative. And my formula will be NH4 to CO3. So that's my formula. Now, both ammonium carbonate with sulfuric acid and sodium hydroxide, they will give different product. I would like you to refer to, please now turn to your reference book. Page 14, you will see this under bases. Can I have you highlight and put an asterisk? Please take note that ammonium carbonate can react with both acid and alkaline, but they will form very different products. So let's take a look over here. What do we have? So when ammonium carbonate react with an acid, so an example given to you is sulfuric acid, which is just like our question, it will form ammonium sulfate, water, or carbon dioxide. So one product over here can be so any one can be from ammonium sulfate, carbon dioxide gas, or water. Whereas on the other side, for sodium hydroxide, what do I get? Sodium carbonate, water, or ammonia gas. So you can write any one. Water and ammonia gas. So the only similarity will be water.